Hi, this is Nikki and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the preparation strategy of UPSC EPFO exam, which is going to conduct on 9th May. What are the subjects and their resources? I will discuss everything in this video, so stay tuned with me. First is General English. For General English, for General Medici and SP Baxi is a good source. Apart from that, you can do from the previous year questions and mock test, which will boost up your solving skill. Second is general mental ability and quantitative aptitude. For this section, IS Agrawal is a good source. Apart from that, same previous year question and mock test will be good. Third is computer. For computer, Arihant or Lucent, whatever is suitable for you, just choose any. Apart from fourth is polity. For polity, Lakshmikant is enough. Apart from Lakshmikant, you do not have to study anything for this section. Fifth is science and tech. For science and tech, 6th to 10th NCERT will be good. If you don't want to study these books, then directly you can refer Lucent. Information regarding new technology, you can refer science. You can refer Science Monitor video of RSTV. 6 is economy. For economy, NCERT class 11th and 12th is good. Apart from that, if you have any kind of doubt, for that you can also refer Ramesh Singh. But I will not suggest this book because this is very bulky book. It will consume your lot of time. So better go for any YouTube channel. That will be good. Economy survey and budget is important for this section, which will come near about March. For this section, I will definitely update any info regarding this on my Telegram channel. Seventh is current event and development. For this section, reading newspaper is important. Apart from that, PIB, Yojana and Kurukshetra and RSTV is also important. For newspaper, you can refer any The Hindu or IE, whatever suitable for you. Eighth is Indian freedom struggle. For this, I will suggest to go for the Bipin Chandra book. So first complete this one. If you have time, then you can choose this also. Otherwise, just revise this book. Ninth is general accounting principle. For this, T.S. Garewal is a standard book. Apart from that, class 11th and 12th NCERT is also suggested by the people. But I won't suggest anyone. Just go for the YouTube videos of Success Tree. That is very good. And if you will get time, just then you can also refer NCERT of class 11th and 12th. But don't refer this book. This book is very bulky. 10th is industrial relations and labor laws. I will suggest that stick with the current affairs and different ministries. And also I will come up with the new videos and more information regarding this section particular. So stay tuned with me. 11th is social security. For social security, revision compilation is good resource. So stick with this and also go in the brief, like what happened in the history, what is present, what could be future. Then it will be good for this section. 12th is miscellaneous. For this section, we do not have to do anything because this could be anything. So we can leave this because questions hardly 1 or 2 questions asked from this section. Okay. What is the marks distribution? As we know that this exams is a 2-stage process. First one is a recruitment test. Second is interview. Recruitment test has weightage of 75% and an interview has weightage of 25%. So if we will do well in this section, then it will be beneficial for us. Moving forward, how we have to start. So as we can see that quant and English, sorry I didn't mention the reasoning section, but assume it also is important because around 40 questions asked from this section. So we have to do this section simultaneously. And second is EPFO special. In this industrial relations and labor laws, accounting principle and social security. In this we have to do accounting principles in November. The industrial relations and social security should be done simultaneously because it is current related subject. Third is polity, which we will do in December. Fourth is economy, which we will do in January. History in Feb. Science and tech in March. Computer in April. In April we have to revise everything whatever we had studied in the past few months, but it doesn't mean that we will skip this section while reading another section. But I will suggest that revise religiously. Like, so you will revise in night, then tomorrow, then after 3 days, then in a week, then after 15 days, then in a month. So this way we will recall everything. Apart from that, take tests religiously. This will analyze your performance. So I'm going to end this video, but stay connected with me. I will come up with the different videos also, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Also join my Telegram channel because I will upload the PDFs on that channel. Thank you so much.